Good to everyone. I am Brinda Shalini, Assistant Professor, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Palkulam, Kanyakumari District. In this show, we can discuss about real power versus frequency and reactive power versus voltage. What is meant by constant frequency? For constant frequency is maintained for the following function. For all the AC motor should require constant frequency supply. So you can maintain the speed as a constant. For continuous process, for industry, it affects the operation of process itself. For synchronous operation, the various units in the power system networks to necessary to maintain the frequency constant. The frequency affects the amount of power transmitted to the interconnecting lines. So speed of the three-phase AC motor is proportional to the frequency. For N is equal to 120 F by P. For if we maintain the frequency, the speed also maintain constant. The blade of the turbines are designed to operate at a particular speed. Frequency variation lead to speed variation and result in the mechanical vibration. For constant voltage, over the voltage and under voltage, electric motor will tend to run on the over speed when they are fed with a higher voltage, resulting vibration and mechanical damage. Over voltage may cause insulation failure. For specified power rating, lower voltage result in more current and this results in heating problems. So we can use the power formula P is equal to VI. For kinetic energy, 1 by 2 joule Weber per square. For N is speed is equal to 120 F by P. What is PF control? PF means real power and frequency control. The load frequency control is also known as a generation control or PF control. It deals with the control of loading of the generating units of the system at the normal frequency. The load in the power system is never constant and the sum frequency remains as the nominal value. During the period the load changes, the deviation from the nominal frequency, which may be called the frequency error, it is sent into the generation of adjusting the load frequency system. So it is basically controlling the opening the inlet valve of prime movers according to the loading condition of the system. So in case of multi-area system, the load frequency system also maintain the specified power interchanges between the participating areas. In a small system, this control is done manually, but the large system, automatic control device used for the loop of load frequency system. For QV control, in this control, terminal voltage of the generator is sensed and converted to the proportional to DC signal as compared to the reference voltage. So the error in between DC signal and the reference voltage. So it is taken as del V. It is a input of the QV controller. So a control of output del Q is applied to the exciter. The active power is mainly independent to the integral angle and is dependent of the power voltage magnitude. The bus voltage is dependent on the machine excitation and hence on reactive power Q and is independent of the machine angle delta. So change in the machine angle is momentary change in the generator speed and hence the frequency. Therefore, the load frequency and the excitation voltage control are not interactive of small changes and it is analyzed. For figure, so this figure gives the for constant voltage. Over the voltage and under voltage, electric motor will tend to run on the over speed when they are fed with a higher voltage, resulting vibration and mechanical damage. Over voltage may cause insulation failure. For specified power rating, lower voltage. Thank you for watching this video.